In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can add a join button to your YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing that we need to do is head over to our YouTube channel. You then want to go to Customize Channel. From here, it will then likely open up a new window, and then you want to go to the left-hand side here, scroll down, select Earn. Once you click on Earn, you now need to go over, click on Memberships. And then from here, this is where you can start to add the join button. Click on Explore Next Steps. So as you can see on here, you can now choose how many different levels you've got in your membership. Now you've got 1 level, 3 levels, 4 levels, or you can click on Start from Scratch to customize it yourself. You can then go down to the next step. From here, you can click on Edit. And here is where you can title this right here. So for example, tutorial. You can go ahead, select the monthly price and the location. If you click on this, you can choose any one of these that you wish. You can go down and then you can add different perks and things like that. If we click on the drop down, as you can see, you can write a description and give a little bit of context about the perks that they do get once they sign up to the membership on your account. So once you're happy, you can then go down, click on done. And then once we select done, select next. So what you want to do is you want to enable or disable any of these options. So give members special chats, thank members, and also highlight members. This will be shown on your YouTube channel whenever someone comments or interacts with your channel. Select next at the bottom. And then if you are happy, you can review all of the different settings right here. And then you can select this and then click on submit for review. Once you click on submit for review, that will then send this over to YouTube. And once they review this, they will then be able to accept you into the membership program on your channel. And this is how you get the join button on your YouTube. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can get a join button on YouTube. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.